Safe construction practices. In this topic, we will discuss about some of the important factors to be considered to construct a building resistant to natural hazards like landslide. Landslides. Landslides are among the major natural disasters or calamities in the world. In hilly terrains of India, including Himalayan mountains, landslides have been a major and widely spread natural disaster that strike life and property almost perennially and occupy a position of major concern. These landslides, year after year, bring about untold misery to human settlements apart from causing devastating damages to transportation and communication network. Landslides, debris fall, debris slide, debris flow, rock toppling, etc. cause destruction of slope and ground surface, initiating the change of uncontrolled erosion in the mountain terrains. On 21st August 2002, heavy monsoon in eastern Nepal triggered landslides and flash floods which killed 419 people and injuring 105 people. More than 53,152 families were affected and about 19,485 houses were destroyed. A total of 47 districts were affected. Factors that cause landslides. Landslides occur because of the interplay of several factors. Natural factors: intensity of rainfall, steep slopes, stiffness of slopes, highly weathered rock layers, soil layers formed under gravity, seismic activity, poor drainage. Man-made factors: deforestation leading to soil erosion, non-engineered excavation, mining and quarrying, non-engineered construction, and land use pattern. Most vulnerable homes. Vulnerable houses are those which are situated on existing landslide area, steep natural slopes, areas in or at the mouths of drainages such as canyons, houses constructed near foothills. Protection measures from damage to building site selection. Landslides generally happen where they have occurred in the past and in identifiable hazard locations. Areas that are typically considered safe from landslides includes areas that have not moved in the past, relatively flat areas away from sudden changes in slope, and areas at the top of or along rides. Houses built at the toe of steep slopes are often vulnerable to slides and debris flows. Signs and warnings. If your house is on a hill, you can detect possible slope failure if you watch for these signs. Doors or windows stick or jam for the first time. New cracks appear on plaster, tile, brick or foundations. Outside walls, walks or stairs begin pulling away from the building. Slowly developing, widening cracks appear on the ground or on a paved area such as streets or driveways. Underground utility lines break. Fences, retaining walls, utility poles or trees tilt or move. Water or bulging grounds appear at the base of a slope. Take preventive action. The potential for landslide and destructive erosion can be greatly reduced or prevented with proper development, sound construction techniques, seasonal inspection, and regular maintenance of drainage facilities. Protect vulnerable areas. Keep surface drainage water away from vulnerable areas such as steep slopes, loose soils, and non-vegetated surfaces. Collect runoff. Collect and direct water from patios, driveways, non-vegetated surfaces into catch basins and confine water flow in drain pipe such as a drainage ditch, dry well, gutter, natural drainage or holding pond. Roof water may go directly to the drain pipe. Intercept surface water. When surface water flows onto your property and where a discharge point is available, dig a shallow, gently sloping ditch to intercept the water and direct it into a natural water course, vegetated drainage area, street pavement or road drainage ditch. Your intercepting ditch should be nearly horizontal with a minimum slope, sufficient to allow water to flow slowly. Smoothen the sides of a ditch and grow vegetation. Keep all ditch free of debris. Stabilize slopes. Improve your soil's ability to resist erosion and stabilizing slopes by increasing vegetation and trees. Straw, wood chips, or bark applied to a depth of at least 1 inch are effective in holding soil in place on slopes. Barriers. Property owners at the toe of steep slopes may be able, in some situations, to create barriers or catchments that trap smaller landslides. Such structures may be designed to withstand the volumes and velocities of material in any potential slide. In addition, design must allow removal of trapped material. Barriers may consist of reinforced walls on the side of a building facing the slope. Summary. Landslides are among the major natural disasters or calamities in the world. On 21st August 2002, heavy monsoon in eastern Nepal triggered landslides and flash floods which killed 419 people and injuring 105 people. Keep surface drainage water away from vulnerable areas such as steep slopes, loose soils, and non-vegetated surfaces. Property owners at the toe of steep slopes may be able, in some situations, to create barriers or catchments that trap smaller landslides. That is all in this topic. Take proper care and prevention. Till then, keep learning.